stopped with the coronavirus. The pandemic continuing to be a challenge for police departments, but as reporter Julio Avila tells us, they're adapting.
We still have a job to do. Our tasks are still the same, and we expect the same results.
In the last week, shootings and homicides happening across Hampton Roads, and investigations still taking place, even in a coronavirus world. But as one police lieutenant tells us, protocols are changing.
Where we would normally have an isolated interview, we have now made those more open in an open environment to kind of cut down on any opportunity for exposure.
It's not just the Suffolk police making changes, but both Newport News and Virginia Beach police tell us they've made similar changes too.
We're in an environment where we don't know who the carriers are, or are we carrying the COVID-19. So we have to take the citizens' safety and evaluate their needs too, and at the same time as we do for ours.
Lieutenant Myrick calls it a learning curve, trying to figure out what works to mitigate that exposure.
We're meeting on a monthly basis in the different areas of our cases. So we used to have a robbery meeting, our homicide team meetings. Now we are resorting to social media, contact by phone, Zoom meetings to still have those meetings.
Something Myrick says is missed is the interaction with the public, especially the civic meetings.
We have that interpersonal contact, one-on-one, where we interact with our citizens. We hear from them. We take their complaints. They get input on their issues.
And the question on his mind?
Will we ever see, a norm? We don't know, but these are the way we operate now.
In Suffolk, Julio Avila, News 3.